What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to be going over a new strategy called local affiliate marketing. And what's cool about this is you don't need any website whatsoever. You don't need any money to start this whatsoever. And there's hardly any competition in this. So I'm going to review exactly what this is and how you can make up to $100 a day or more doing this. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's get straight into it. But before I do that, I want to invite you to go into my newsletter at bloggersystem.com. I try to pump out, a lot of helpful articles on how to make money online. Just go to bloggersystem.com. That's my newsletter. All right, so let's go ahead and dive straight into this. The only thing that you're going to need for this is YouTube, right? This isn't just a typical YouTube channel where you're ranking for keywords. This is where you actually want to go into a very, very specific niche. Okay, and like I said in the beginning of the video, we're doing a different way of affiliate marketing. This is where we want to go into a very, very specific niche. And like I said in the beginning video, we're doing a different way of affiliate marketing. Is typically is something that I haven't seen too many people do. All right, so basically what we're going to be doing is called kind of local affiliate marketing. So let me just show you guys an example because this is pretty cool stuff. You're going to see, I'm just going to show you one example of someone who I found who does this really well and is making some decent money from it. All right, so anyways, I'm going to go over to a channel called Living in Arizona. I already have it up. The only way I found this channel is I was thinking of moving into another state, and I was putting in all these states, and Arizona was one of them. I came across this channel just because I was looking different things up around, different states, and I was like, wow, this is such a good idea. This is such a good idea for a channel because what he's doing is he's creating a very niche specific channel, right? And the thing is, like, it's not like, it's a very good idea because it's not a lot of people doing this. It's probably like maybe two people doing this in like Arizona total. Most people will make some Arizona videos, but their channel is all about all these other things. But when you make your channel just about that one topic, that's where it becomes kind of profitable. So, for example, right, you can do this in any state. Really, if you live in like a smaller country or maybe just like a bigger city, it can be living in San Diego or living in LA. I'm sure there's some of those for those bigger cities. But even if you guys find like maybe a city with 500,000 people, right, it's kind of a medium-sized city or something, then that's where you can really start to, that's where there's really not going to be any competition. So that's what we want nowadays because with YouTube, it's hard to get views right at the gate, and you guys probably know that for some of you guys that have YouTube channels. So the way we're going to make $100 or more a day, and really how you can monetize this, and without a website, right? You don't need any website at all. You just need this YouTube channel and maybe a phone and some knowledge about your state. And that's another thing I wanted to cover. Is a lot of people are like always saying, I don't have enough knowledge about a niche, right? I don't know what niche to go into. And I always tell people, pick a niche that you have interest, experience, or passion around. Now this, right, if you have like no niche where you don't have any experience or interest, well, something that you probably do know about is some of you guys have lived in the same city or the same state your whole life. You probably have a lot of knowledge about that state that you can share with other people. So if you check out some of the videos that this guy in particular is making, right, we can see. So most of his stuff is people wanting to move it in Arizona. That's how some people are able to find them. Let's see, should you move to northern Arizona or southern, or he just makes all these topics about Arizona. But so how can you monetize this? How can you monetize it? Well, what you can do is instead of promoting a random product, right, online, the way what you can do is you can partner up with a local business, a local restaurant, or a local plumber, right? Maybe a local real estate agent, and you can do an affiliate share with them. And this isn't something that I made up. People actually do this. You can go and like things to do in San Diego. I'm sure there's blogs, and they monetize by placing ads with local businesses. Well, with a YouTube channel, right, and the description of the video, instead of saying like my best recommendation for weight loss or something, or my best, you always see this, my best recommendation to make money online, or what you can do is just be like my best restaurant recommendation for Arizona, or my best Mexican restaurant, or thinking about moving to Arizona. Here's my real estate agent best recommendation, right? So, for example, this guy, the way that he monetizes this is he doesn't really show that he monetizes. All he does is his brother is a real estate agent. So what's happening now is he's getting all these people, just getting on live videos. He's got this Facebook group called Living in Arizona. And now what's happening is a lot of people are messaging him on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram. And they're asking him, hey, do you have a good real estate recommendation, a real estate agent? And keep in mind, there's hundreds of people messaging him. So now his brother is getting literally tens and thousands of dollars worth of business, right? Because he has all these people wanting to move to Arizona. Now that's how you do marketing if you're a real estate agent. So guys, if any of you are real estate agents, I'm telling you, do this in your state. Create a YouTube channel or a Facebook group around your local city and create content around it so people can find you. Like, look how many views. He just started his channel like less than a year ago. He's getting a lot of views. So that's another way to monetize this. Like once this becomes big enough, I'm sure he's growing at a pretty rapid pace. Ad revenue is probably making maybe $50 a day or more in ad revenue, right? So that's maybe 1,000 a month there. So that's really how you would monetize something like this, is just partnering up with local businesses. And again, it can be like a pool cleaner, right? Something simple as that, and you can just put in your description. And what you can do is you just link it to their website. And if you guys are wondering like, oh, how would I get a pool cleaner to do that, or how would I get a local business to partner up with me? Or, well, all you have to do is either call them on the phone or send them a private email. And, let's say, listen, I own this YouTube channel called Living in Arizona. And, we have a pretty wide audience of people who want to move there to Arizona, and also people that, just live in Arizona that are curious to know about their state. Anyways, I was wondering if I can, I really like your service. I really like your restaurant. I was wondering if we can do some type of share where I would leave a link to your website in the description of my YouTube channel videos, right? They're getting this amount of views every month, right? So you say something like that, and man, a lot of those guys are going to be in, because that's free business for them. And obviously you can just kind of do maybe charge them 500 a month or 300 a month. And it's just like, it's really a good advertising. It's targeted. And if you really explain that to them, I'm sure a lot of businesses owners, you can already see this with other blogs and stuff. This is a thing, right? People do this. People make a lot of money from local directory sites and stuff like this, right? So this is kind of new with YouTube channel, since a lot more people are watching videos. YouTube is becoming more normalized, right? So, it's a great opportunity to start. So we can do a couple more things, like, for example, if we wanted to do, I don't know, let's just say, I live in the Bronx, right? So that's not really a good example. It's like a really big city. So like, if you guys live in another country or something, basically there's like, so I can do living in New York City. Oops. Yes, maybe it's not a good example. If anyone is doing this, let's see this. See if any. I mean, I'm sure there's not really anyone. Or maybe like a smaller. Let's see, like Terrytown. Let's try that, Terrytown, New York. Even if we did like a smaller state, let's say even if we did a smaller state, let's say Colorado. Let's see how this one is, right? So like here's an example right here, Colorado Mountain Living, right? Or anyone who just wants to move to Colorado. You can see like let's see who's coming up here. Let's see, world according. No. So you can see there's really not that much competition, especially if you do a title like this, like for your YouTube channel, living in Colorado. That way people know it's directly about living in Colorado, and people who are either thinking about moving to Colorado are they're going to subscribe, and people who live in Colorado, they're also probably going to subscribe. So anyways, guys, I want you guys to go test this out. You know, for some of you who are struggling to pick a niche, obviously this might take some time to build up. But once you put out a consistent maybe 3 or 4 videos a week around the topic, related to your state, right? You can literally just go model what this guy is doing and apply it to your own state, right? Just different topics around your state, different things that are going on. It's just a great way to get traffic, especially if you target keywords for Arizona and stuff like that. And it's just more specific. A lot of more people are going to come to it. And yeah, so anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I want you guys to go test out this method for yourself. If you have been struggling to pick like a niche in your, and you don't feel like you even know what niche to go in, and maybe you have some expertise about your state or your city or county you're in, right? This is a great method to start making some money and kind of build up a little brand and a little business, right? And obviously, this can turn into a 10K per month business. It can turn into, even more than that. The sky's the limit with YouTube and online marketing nowadays. So, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys did enjoy it, please smash that like button. And if you guys are new, please make sure to subscribe. And real quick, if you guys are interested in getting started with like digital marketing or affiliate marketing, and you want some free courses on different ways to make money with digital marketing, whether it's, just go to my website in the link in the description. Link in the description below. I have a course. This is what it looks like when you click on it. You will have to sign up. Just click on this button right here to watch the free webinar, and just enter your email address. Like I'll enter an email address right now. Like here, like a fake email address, obviously. And you just click on yes, send me the webinar link. Yeah, so once you submit your email address, you'll also get an email. You have to give me permission because I'm also going to send you an email. You have to confirm, and then you'll get an email from me. Yeah, just go through these training videos. I built this some time ago, and you can just go over all these videos on how you can do affiliate marketing or digital marketing. Yeah, there's no charge for this video training that I set up for you. Yeah, just take some time out of your day. Everyone's got like maybe 50 minutes to an hour to watch this and go over it. And you'll see what I promote, or the number one product or one of the products that I promote. I actually promote a number of products. Yeah, and you'll meet my mentor, the person that helped me get started into this. Yeah, just watch all this training, and this should help you tremendously if you're interested in digital marketing, making money online. Yeah, just go through all this training videos. It's 100% completely free. I mean, I do recommend some products that I use that that are needed, like a funnel builder, which I use is ClickFunnels. I recommend where to buy your domain name in these bonus videos down here. I buy all my domain names from Namecheap, and where to get your hosting account. I set up my hosting with HostGator. I think it's the best hosting account. There's also Bluehost. I've used that too. I just like to stick with HostGator. What else do I recommend? An autoresponder. I like using GetResponse. Like all those tools are needed if you want to do online marketing. If you're really serious about making money online, people think they're gonna make money online overnight or in like a couple of weeks or even in like 30 days they're gonna become rich. But it actually takes time, time, a lot of work that you got to put in. You know, most people will probably tell you all you have to do is buy a solo ad and you'll make money overnight. That's not really the case. It can be the case. Like I've seen some good results with solo ads. Solo ad is like people that have a list of emails that they send your link to. You just pay them a few dollars and they'll send you your link. Like my link is inspiregrowprosper.com. Once they enter their email address, they come to this page. This is a very good funnel. And I actually share this funnel. If you subscribe to my course, you get the same exact funnel. You don't have to build it. I'll give you the share code. You can use this. All you have to do is subscribe. The link is in the description below. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this training from me. I hope you got a lot of value, and I'll see you in the next video.